How to double space a paragraph in Microsoft Word document. Let's see, we have a one-pager here. We could do it two ways. Number one, you can go to right here, select all, and you can go to paragraph, line spacing, click double. We're going to do that again. Going to undo. Option 1, from home, we are here, home. You're going to go to select. You're going to select all. We're going to go to paragraph, line spacing, double. You can also here select all. You can also right click on the highlighted text and go to paragraph, line spacing, double. Click OK. Do what you're most comfortable with. Know that you have options to do both. I'm just going to move this up, backspace. Your puppy project. See, you have double spaced paragraphs. Looks cleaner. Click Save. Until next time.